How would you like a chance to sing your heart out in a major Bollywood film? Dozens of local singers tried out today to do just that. Auditions were held today in Lakewood. Contestants were taped singing a famous Bollywood song, and those videos will now be uploaded to BollyStar2009.com, where the online community can vote, and the lucky winner will appear in a major Bollywood movie.